Hi everyone, this is Joseph from 4Sec Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, this is the Note 20 Ultra rear camera. I'm shooting this in 8K, which I think I'm not gonna make the video too long at all because, yeah, the size of these videos take up a lot of space. And then I'm also in this video, I'm gonna put the phone on a gimbal and see if it's any better, because I know with 8K video, shaky, it's not as good and smooth when you're walking around or even panning, because I do see some like shakes and hiccups. But so far I'm enjoying the phone. It's been really good. I mean, it's a beast. It's a big boy. But we're definitely going to be testing it out. I'm going to do some 4K footage too, probably tomorrow. But what y'all think about this 8K right now? Y'all let me know. I'm going to come back. The next part will be the gimbal test. I probably will put that to some music. Okay everyone, so this is 8K, but on my Osmo Gimbal 2. Let me know how this whole video was. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see. Again, it's just been a short 8K video clip with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Note 20 Ultra. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.